Here's another thing for you to get excited about. Apparently, the next iPhone SE is going to feature a 4.7-inch display, which is not that exciting because it already has a 4.7-inch display. But then the second part of this rumor is that the 2023 version is going to have a hole punch.
Okay.
Imagine the 2023 version. I like it actually reading this because I went down to the top comment and a guy knocked it out of the park. Right over here. Shout out Alexander. Nothing on the 2024 version. 33 votes up. Yeah, well done, Alexander. But it is a cool little render. Admit that.
Oh, yeah.
To see an iPhone like that with the slim and trim bezel and a little hole punch. I don't know. Some people hate the hole punch. I like the hole punch. I don't mind it at all. If you're going to have any kind of punch, fruit punch.
Yeah. Delicious.
Then have a hole punch if you're going to have some kind of punch.
On the side or in the middle?
Yeah, put it in the side. It's fine.
The side? Okay.
Yeah, it's fine. I just like to imagine an iPhone SE or an affordable iPhone that has this design. That's
very cool.
That would be so cool. At $399 is what they're selling right now. They would move a lot of units. I mean, if they could move the units they moved at $399 with the old design, imagine a rethink of such a thing. Now, I know they don't want to cannibalize the other stuff because I feel like that phone would cannibalize the other stuff.
Yeah.
Like
having it look this cool.
If it was that cool, why are you going to buy an iPhone 12?
Exactly, yeah.
13 or whatever it is in 2027. You know. But anyway, so these are the rumors. I think that design looks really cool. But you're going to have to wait for that. The other key component here is just if you had been wondering if the iPhone SE would be the same form factor or if they might scale it up. Apparently, an LCD leak is pointing at the next LCD iPhone SE remaining at 4.7 inches in 2022. It will also supposedly get 5G. This is just a rumor. And sub 6 gigahertz as well. And then maybe a 6.1-inch version with the punch hole rather than a notch in 2023. I know you like to be ready for 2023, Will. Can't even think about 2023.
Yeah.
Sheesh, man. Rumor sites.